The saying, a picture's worth 1,000 words is definitely true here with the weather camera program.
Being able to see before you go is worth $1,000,000.
We've got cameras in places where we don't have any other weather information, and being able to look at that picture, we can make that go, no-go decision before we ever get in the airplane, before we put ourselves in danger.
The weather camera program has improved safety immensely and efficiency. When a pilot flies out to take a look, they're flying out, they're burning fuel, they're using up airtime, and they're taking chances with their lives and their passengers' lives, not knowing what the weather is. Since we put the cameras in now, safety has increased dramatically. Nobody leaves the ground before they've looked at the weather cameras.
Weather camera program has saved a lot of lives, saved a lot of money, and we love the weather camera program.